Hello guys, in this video I will show you all the OSO interface. First of all, please open OSO, and now I will show you every single thing about this OSO interface. Now as you can see here, there's this big logo of OSO. This one will allows you to go inside the game and start playing it. The top right corner has the kind of like the YouTube style options like bar that will show under videos, like my video for example. Here there is the play button, the pause button, the stop button. Here you can play the previous track, and here the next track, and here all the information you need about this song that is currently playing. And from here you can just choose and jump and choose whatever song you want. In here at the top left corner you will find your account information like name, performance, accuracy, level. If you click on it, you can from here view your profile on their website. You can change your avatar or sign out or close. And from here, after clicking on OSO, this will show you 4 options. The first one, which is playing, like go and play on default mode or the multiplayer mode. The edit button will allows you to go in any map and edit it or create your own bitmap. The third option, which is options, that allows you to see all the options of the game, to play with like to play around them, to change them. There is your account information, there's the language, you can see the language, there's the update if there's any update, there's also the resolution and rendering and the quality. There is also the gameplay like the background, the score meter size, and here there's the music, how to add to like make the effects lower or the music higher or anything else. Here there is the scan, here you can import the scan or change it or remove it or even export it. And here you can have all the inputs informations like mouse sensitivity. Also here there is this button that will allow you to edit background video or hit animation. This checkpoint will allow you to see this, like for example background video. If you check this, you will be able to see backgrounds behind your bitmaps. And from here there's online, and here there is some maintenance. Of course, now after clicking on play, you have to see these 2 options. The first one, which is solo, the normal mode which we all play, and the second one, it is the multiplayer mode. In here you can just join anyone in the room and start playing with them, or you can add your friends and create and ask them to send you the room link, and after clicking on it you will be able to join them and you will be able to play together. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.